All you have to do is just Google or Facebook or YouTube the Port Angeles-Sequim, Washington car wash man, motorhome wash man. I just defrosted this roof. I've been washing on this Pleasure. It's a motorhome. That's what it is. Okay. Done this part so far up here. I always do the roof first. You can just show you the outside a little bit. Yeah, it's about 20. It's about 30 degrees, 20, something like that. But that's okay. We work. This will be, I'll give you an after picture of this. This is going to be nice after we're done with it. The car wash lady is on the inside of it. She's in there cleaning the front area. I'm going to get all the mold off of the roof. The owner was looking outside of his roof and couldn't stand it anymore. And he thinks I'm crazy for being out here, but I might be a little crazy, but it's okay. I'll show you an after video of this. Have a great day.